Good afternoon, New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut. Today isn't just another dreary September day. The National Weather Service has issued a coastal flood advisory across parts of the tri-state area. That means higher than normal tides, flooding concerns in vulnerable coastal zones, and even dangerous rip currents along our beaches. So what should you expect as you head out the door? Stick with us. We'll break down the advisory, today's soggy conditions, and when brighter skies are finally returning. The advisory runs from 8 p.m. Tuesday through 3 p.m. Wednesday, covering Staten Island, southern Nassau, and southern Westchester in New York, Middlesex, Monmouth, and Ocean counties in New Jersey, and Fairfield County in Connecticut. These areas are especially prone to coastal flooding during high tide cycles. Even a few extra inches of water can cause problems. Think flooded intersections, overwhelmed storm drains, and beach erosion. And it's not just flooding. Meteorologists warn that south-facing beaches along Long Island and the Jersey Shore face a high risk of rip currents. If you're planning a late summer swim, be extra cautious. Rip currents are narrow but powerful channels of water pulling away from shore. They're a leading hazard for beachgoers, and they're hard to spot. Safety tip: if you ever get caught in one, don't swim straight back against it. Swim parallel to shore until you're out of the current, then head in. Now let's talk rainfall. Many woke up to damp, chilly conditions this morning, and showers became more widespread after sunrise. The morning commute saw the steadiest rainfall. The afternoon and evening commute may still see scattered pop-up showers, though most will be light to moderate at worst. Rainfall totals? Expect half an inch or less for most of the region. So while this isn't a soaking washout, it's enough to keep streets slick, umbrellas handy, and moods feeling a little more like November than September. Adding to the dreariness, a persistent breeze out of the northeast. Gusts are reaching 20 to 30 miles per hour. Combine that with today's temperatures stuck in the 60s, and it'll feel more like a chilly October afternoon than early September. So grab that light jacket if you're stepping out. The breeze will make it feel colder than the thermometer says. The good news? This low-pressure system is on the move. By Wednesday night, it slides offshore and skies begin to clear. By Thursday, expect sunshine, lighter winds, and a real temperature rebound. Highs should climb back to around 80 degrees. So if you've been craving one last taste of summer weather, it's on the way tomorrow. September is a transition month for the tri-state. Coastal flood advisories like this are reminders that tides and onshore winds can create local flooding even without a major storm. And keep in mind, September is also peak hurricane season. Even though today's advisory isn't tied to a tropical storm, the same dynamics, high tides, wind-driven surf, are what make us vulnerable if a bigger system moves up the coast later this month. So here's your quick recap. Coastal flood advisory through Wednesday afternoon for parts of NY, New Jersey and CT. High rip current risk. Avoid risky swimming. Showers tapering tonight but chilly with gusty winds. Sunshine returns Thursday with temps near 80. Stay weather aware, especially if you live near the coast or plan to be outdoors this evening. And as always, stay tuned to local forecasts for the latest updates.